Amazon and Adobe is asking this question in the interview.
Given the array, we need to return the longest consecutive sequence. Apparently, the order of the array doesn't matter, so we can sort the array. After the sorting, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 is the longest consecutive element. If we have a duplicate, we need to ignore it, so the longest consecutive element in this array is 9. The sorting sounds like a good starting point. In Python, we can call the sorted function. The team sort is a stable sorting algorithm. It's used in Python. The time complexity is nlogn. Let's dive into the procedural code. I set a temporary variable to keep on track on the temporary count for the subarray. And the variable LCS means the final result we need to return. If the current element at index 1 is equal to the last element plus 1, that means this is a consecutive sequence. So we add up to the temporary variable and we keep on track on the final result. If it is not a consecutive sequence, then we reset the temporary variable back to 1. And here is how the algorithm works. Let's starting from the second element. By comparing the first element, we know that 1, 2 is inconsecutive. So we accumulate temporary by 1. Now we have 2. And the LCS is 2. We are moving to the third element. And we know that 1, 2, 3 is consecutive. So we add up 1 to the temporary variable, becomes 3. The LCS becomes 3 as well. We are moving to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 is consecutive. So we add up 1 to the temporary, becomes 4. LCS becomes 4. Now we are moving to the value 100. We know it's breaking the consecutive order we built before. So we reset back temporary to 1. And we still keep on LCS. Now, as we are moving to the last element, it is 200. By comparing to the last element, it is not a consecutive sequence. So we keep temporary to 1, and then finally return the maximum number of 4. There's one use case of duplication I forgot to mention before. If we found a duplicate, by comparing to the last element, we simply just continue the for loop, so this will skip the current iteration. We declare the variable LCS and temporary to be 1 because we know that at least one number can be found as the LCS. The sorting algorithm will give us the time complexity O and log n. And we have the for loop here, so the whole for loop will give us the time complexity O m. So overall, we have the time complexity O and log n. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.